coops, man. We got some young chickens that that's gonna start laying, and we gotta get some chicken boxes down.
So like, how do you handle like coyotes and possums and, you know what I mean? Like, you know, with your chickens? They handle themselves? So basically you wake up in the morning like, damn, they got another one.
Yeah, used to.
Like he running things. Oh my God.
Back out the way.
He's like, F that. A whole steaming pal. Keeping the tradition alive, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, for sure. We definitely out here, and our goal is, one of our goals is that our future goals, or dream of ours, is to get young people out here and show them how to live off the land. That's one of the next things that we are establishing, you know, because whether people believe it or not, it's like a plan of sand.
For real, all the time.
They really
we all did.
Yeah, we all did. But if you show them what's the outcome of it, when the plants start producing and the things that they eat out the can is really here, maybe that'll excite them to maybe somebody else might want to be a farmer, because right now that is playing out as far as for a lot of young people. They don't realize that, you know, it takes hard work instead of getting on the video game. This is where we at. This is what we're doing. We're trying to get some boxes made here for our chickens. We're gonna go over here and look at them real quick before we go back over here. I don't know if I want that.
yeah. I already know.
You know,
Trust me.
You know.
Out here at the chicken coop, Frank and Lou's farm.
So, this is what we're fixing today. This is one of the things we're fixing.
What you fixing?
This is our chicken coop. We have Kookamarans and Rhode Island Reds in these pen right here.
Explain Kookamarans to me, like what?
Well, they're like the dominant chickens. They lay brown eggs, and they're good. They're actually very good egg layers. You know what I'm saying? And for real. And that's why we got them, but we're eventually going to separate them because for some reason, you know.
Why you have to separate them?
Well, everybody wants to be dominant at something. You know what I'm saying? Everybody wants to be dominant at something. And sometimes we come in here and they get a little aggressive with each other. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to separate them at the end of the day and have those. But both of them, put it like this. Both of them are getting ready to start laying. Actually, they're laying. If you look behind that thing there, yeah, you got something here.
Where at? Show me.
Yeah, this is why we're getting this done.
Okay.
It's because they're starting to lay, and we didn't have any chicken boxes in here, really. So I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so we got eggs, and these chickens are just now 6 months old.
Which ones? These right
Both
here?
of them.
So these are the same chickens that I came the first time?
Yeah, the biddies.
For real?
Yeah, these are the biddies.
Oh wow, that's
Remember those
crazy.
biddies?
Yeah.
And see those were the biddies, all those biddies. That's what those
Oh, that's crazy.
Yep.
So how long do it take a chicklet to be a chicken?
About 6 months.
6 months?
About 6 months they start laying.
Okay.
They say you only supposed to recycle them out like every 15, 16 months.
Wow.
So what you do is they start laying at 6 months, and then after 6 months you let them lay for another year.
Okay.
And then by then you should start having some more biddies to change them out so that your egg count won't drop.
Right.
That's what they say.
Okay,
You know,
then.
and that's what we're going to try to do. Like I said, we're building boxes. By the time we come back, we'll see a different. We'll see a big difference
No
than where we're
doubt.
at right now.
No
but
doubt.
this was just a stop. So
Yes, sir.
you know, we got to keep on going to make sure our water's
For
on.
sure. Taking the grand tour of Frank and Lou's farm.
I mean,
Urban
it's a little
Access
dirty
Media.
right now.
Huh?
It's a little dirty right now, but that's all right.
Y'all better check for it.
Yeah. But It's amazing how small they was and how big they are now.
Right. Because I still got the pictures from the first time, and that
Right.
was like about 6 months ago.
Yeah, that was about 6 months ago.
Wow.
Yep. Every now and then, we have some, we're gonna build this area back up to be our calf place. This is where our calves used to be. We tore it down because we're gonna build something else. We're gonna build some more for our calves. But I just wanted you to see these right here. Sometimes you can get a good picture of them, sometimes you can't. But they're kind of running from me. You see them?
Which one?
See the peacock?
Oh man, he got peacock. Yo,
Yeah, you see the peacock?
Come on, man. This guy got peacocks out here, man.
They run from us, so.
So why do you even have peacocks out here?
Well,
just for the aesthetic?
Yeah, we just let them run around, man.
That's beautiful though.
And if we ever can catch them, we will catch them, but we ain't trying to catch them.
Right.
You know what I mean? But
basically a peacock, they own thing. They just do what they
want to do.
Yeah, it's something like a
Matter
feline.
of fact, the male is somewhere around here because he kicks it by himself.
Wow. I want to get a shot of the peacocks, but they running from me.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it, people, but I can't get them because they running.
It's a little what's
We got
right
the
now.
cows back here.
Yeah, it's a little warm right now, so you ain't gonna really see them. They might be out here. I mean, you know, might not. But you usually go in the shade, but it might be a couple of them out here running around.
Amazing, bro.
Might be a couple of them running around. But what we'll do, we'll come back to this because, like I said, we're really trying to. We got to get that sprayer running. Okay. We got to get them plants in the ground today.
Got to get them in the ground
Yes,
today.
sir.
Explain that to me, or the people
Well,
that don't know what you're talking about.
What happens is if we ordered some plants, right? So we got them in. And the reason why we're trying to get the sprayer fixed because you want water on the plants as soon as you put them in the ground so they can take root. So we're trying to get the sprayer fixed so we can put our plants in the ground because, you know, we got about 5,000 plants to plant today. So we got
5,000?
Yeah, we got about 5,000.
Oh my God.
Yep. And that's simple because we're small, but one day we might be huge where I can say I'm planting 50,000 plants.
Guess what? I'm gonna set up a tripod and go to work with y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna give me a green thumb today.
Yes, sir.
I ain't come out here just to film. I'm finna get in the dirt, y'all. We got water, people.
Hey, Ruben, you got it? It ain't working?
If you can you explain that to me?
That's gonna be our water line. That water line is gonna help us get water out there to the field. As you go right here, look, we have drip lines. You see these drip lines? These lines is in the west end right there. They're called drip lines. And so what we're gonna do?
Drip lines?
Drip lines.
Drip lines?
Yeah.
So how you know how much water to use a day? Like, whenever your crop come in, like how does that work?
We just
water it as you go?
Yeah, we water it as it goes. We just turn the water on and turn it off.
Okay.
We try to water about 8 hours a day.
8 hours a day?
At least.
No doubt.
Is it coming out now though?
Ain't gonna do it like you want.
It's always something to come down the farmer, so you always, I ain't gonna say rigging up stuff, but you're always trying to make something happen. Cause like today, our solenoid, we having a straight wire solenoid to the battery. Watch out, watch yourself. In order to get this to work.
Let's get into the meat and potatoes. Have anybody actually came to you and want to inquire on this land?
Want what?
Want to inquire on this land? Anybody
Oh
came
yeah,
to
all
you?
the time.
All the time?
Yeah, they always.
So what do you tell them?
Well, one thing about it is that ain't nobody selling nothing.
That's all I'm talking about.
Yeah, you ain't got to worry about that part.
All day.
It's always, I know on the other side, and it's more or less like air property. so it can't be sold. It got to be passed down.
Right,
Now, if we
right.
don't pay the taxes, of course, that puts people in a bad situation.
Right,
but
right.
the Lord bless us the way we want. We want to be blessed, and hopefully, we'll be all right with that part.
No doubt.
You know.
No doubt.
Yeah.
I was gonna try to reuse one, but I can't get the thing, the stuff out the inside without breaking. We're gonna have to have one.
The 90.
Yep.
Do you Google your phone and see if anything open in Williston?
Yeah, I just want to explain. We just gonna walk through here and explain to me what you got going on here.
I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do.
Yeah,
This is the plan.
talk to me.
Because right now we got a lot of weeds. We got some squash coming up right here, but it's a lot of weeds in it.
Okay.
Right now we have nothing planted, but we're gonna replant our flowers in here. This is where we plant our flowers. We need to resand them. Like some of the boxes are empty, but we're definitely gonna resand them. We're just in the mode now of replanting everything, getting everything back right. I think we have some okra over here growing.
Okay.
But as you can see, there's a lot of weeds in it because like we're saying, we're regrouping, we're replanting. If you see right there, we had a whole bunch of sunflower plants right there that we just pulled up today that you'll see that we're gonna do something similar to this because we have a lot of cabbage and what's the name we're gonna plant? All right, man, this line right here is what's gonna feed the water to those collard greens and cabbage that I'm talking about. But we're having a problem, as you can see. We need to get a 90 fitting so we can turn it that way, so we can put this big piece on right here, so that way we can hook the line up to it.
Okay.
Because we need to get it like this. We need to cut that down some, put the 90 on this, so to turn it, so it'll be laying like this, so that way, when we do it, when we bring the tractor in, the tractor won't run over. So that's why we want to turn it that way. But it's Saturday and it's hard to get pieces around here on Saturday unless we go way, what's the name, because we're actually in the woods.
So basically, early Monday morning, you want it.
Yeah, I need to find that today, really.
Today?
I just don't have the time
Right.
to go because we're trying to get this water on this woods because it's very hot. The Lord will let it rain a little bit. Something right now.
Right.
But hopefully this water work right here that we're finna do.
So basically, like, stuff like this is a little roadblock that you really need to handle like ASAP.
Yes, because like I said, it's the water flow.
Right. You need that water. You already got the sunlight.
Got some of your very hot, man.
Yeah, that's a gimme. You know what I mean? Okay,
God, man.
no doubt. Learning something. What you looking at? What your pops doing?
What's the name? Because I might.
And you say something about that it's so hot out here that the water that's pumping out is just drying up quick.
Yeah, it's drying up quick. That's why we're trying to put some water on it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask him, can I come behind him and start putting down plants? Okay, where's the 2-inch header? We got that. Yeah, but we got, see how it's running? It's already in there. So the only thing we need to do is screw on the,
Irrigation clamp.
oh yeah, the clamp to go on the what's name?
Yeah.
Where the pipe at? In the back?
So you got that water?
Oh, okay.
Look how quick it dry up though, man. It's crazy, right?
Right, it's hot.
Yeah. It look like he ain't even put no water on it.
That's why we got to have this water turned on. So we soak them beds.
Besides pizza, what's your go-to food, man, when you out here working?
Not pizza, we just got lots. Oh yeah! We got water.
We got water. But what's your go-to food when you're out here? It don't matter, like.
My son don't eat nothing heavy.
Right.
One thing about it, if you eat something heavy, you get sleepy. So I like to eat a lot of peanuts,
Protein.
sandwiches, protein,
Right.
nothing too heavy. Brown water. So this is
It's an everyday thing. You don't think nobody like to do it?
nah, I mean, you know, if we had a manual machine, we could do it better. I gotta find something better to do it with, cause that ain't gonna work. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna cover back up this hole so we can get that water hooked up. So hopefully we get the daggone plants planted today, cause we need it. Are they gonna wither up, which we don't want. You seen that hard rake? What you been using, Ruben?
So for me on the outside looking in,
Huh? What you saying?
so for me on the outside looking in, is this something like a drought season or how
No, I mean,
you know?
it varies, you know, at times. Like, I don't know if you remember just a couple of weeks ago, shoot, it rained almost every day.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So you can't say, you know, what God has in store for us, because I mean,
Of course.
sometimes,
You're playing a pretty picnic,
Yeah.
but you can't predict the weather.
that's right, because a lot of times they might say, oh, it's gonna rain, and it don't rain for 2 weeks,
Right.
you know? So, can't really,
One of them hard finger rakes down here?
I ain't see nothing really. I know it. And this ain't gonna work either, because this is just too much. That's a good example of what we're doing. What we're doing is we're trying to cover up the line now. We done made the line. Now it's time to cover it up so nobody won't run over it and get it messed up. This is gonna be the line that go across it. Sir? Okay.
So this is the whole, another line?
Yeah, this line right here is gonna go across the whole field, and that's what's gonna irrigate the whole, once we cut the water on and hook those small lines into this right here, then it'll run through the whole system. Like that. What happened? Oh, yeah. Just pull up here. Was it 5'8"? 5'16". Well, this is what I can't understand. How are we gonna do it to get it back across that way?
You gotta figure that out.
Yeah, because I messed up. We should have stopped right there where we said we was gonna stop at. And then, because that way it'll run all the way across. But now we're finna have it messed up. Well, I don't know. We're finna see.
That way it's supposed to be.
Whatever you wanna do, Ruben. Everything is a learning lesson, I'm telling you. Because it's like right now, I made a mistake. I should have stopped the line over there, but because I didn't stop the line over there, now I got to figure out how and where I'm gonna run this hose for the water to get from every side. See, I can water this side right here, but then how I'm gonna get it over there? Yeah. Well, hold on, I'm gonna have to turn this around, remember? But I'm trying to figure out how in the world we're gonna get water over there.
That's what I'm saying. We got to run it down here, put that end plug on it, and then come back here, tap into this line again, but like over there, and run it that way. That's how we're gonna have to do it if we run this over here.
Another clamp. I got a, what's the name? 516.
Good, man.
Well, yeah. I don't think it really matters.
I didn't think it mattered, but
Yeah, that's what he always say.
that's what's trying to think going back to this.
Cut
Cut that in off a little bit. Smoother end on.
You had a piece we can lift up.
So you take some pliers and like
Yeah,
clean it out, like like without cutting it, like
Yeah, you got
yeah, like that, yeah, there you go,
There you go, yeah. Here we go.
yeah. What you say? Teamwork make the dream work,
All
baby.
the time.
Frank and Lou's Farm, Urban Access Media.
We got the connector things down here?
No, I don't think so. You ask him what it is.
So what is this process? It's the same process to trying to get the water line right.
Get the water line right. What this does right here is it puts a block on it. So it holds the water up on this end so it won't come out. It's a cap, of course. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some holes inside this line that we just brought out here. And when we drill the holes, and once we drill the holes and put the taps in them, we'll go down to each end, make sure the water's coming out, and then we'll tie the ears and knots. That way it will soak the beds.
Soak the bed.
It's definitely a process, y'all. You know, don't think that you're just going out here doing something. It's all a process. Yeah, it's all a process. It'll be some long days out here farming, y'all. I'm telling you. Long days and long nights.
So what we doing now?
We're connecting the lines together in order for the water to go.
So did you figure out the problem from there to there?
We figured out this problem. We figure out that one in a minute, to be honest. Trying to one thing at a time, I reckon.
No doubt.
Jesus, he will fix it after a while.
We out here finna feed the cows. So what do you feed them?
Cotton seed.
Cotton seed? And this is cotton seed here? Why is that best for a cow? You know, for anybody that don't know, like why do you feed them cotton seed?
Cheap feed.
Cheap feed?
It's good protein form. I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, sir. And so what you building right now? What you building right now?
Laying in bed. Chicken.
Okay.
Laying eggs.
Laying the beds for the chicken?
Building.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Brian.
Brian? Nice to meet you, Brian. Shabazz.
Good to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Where you cut hay with? Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
What do they call that machine?
This more condition.
Okay.
And the parts away down there.
Yes, sir.
We'll put it back together Monday.
And so what's the process you're doing now? What are you doing now?
Getting ready to kill the flies,
Okay,
cow, spray cows, flies.
we finna spray some cows, guys. You can't get no footage like this. Black farm, black owned. Guess what? You might need to spray me because them flies in my eyes right now.
Yes.
Yeah, gnats, flies, whatever. We have the majestic cow. They ain't gonna trample me or nothing, right? Even if I walk up close? Hey, I'm a friend. It's okay. I come in peace. The majestic animal, the cow. May I? It's all love. It's all love. It's all love. Yeah. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. Hey, don't creep up on me like that, bro. I don't know you like that, B. Come on, man. And you say far as insecticide, you just choose what's best for them? Like what do you actually use as far as insecticides?
It's an insecticide for livestock.
Livestock? Okay, cool.
That's all I can tell you.
Okay then. Basically, if you had to tell somebody else, you have to kill somebody. I'm just playing. No, I'm just joking.
I'm just go to tractor fly, and I'll go to a feed tractor fly somewhere.
Okay, no doubt. I see it's actually working too. So basically the bull, he run everything. Cause they go right there, look at it. Oh, that ain't the bull? So basically the bull, like, he impregnates all these, okay, word.
17 brood cows.
17 brood cow? What is brood cow like?
Brood cow.
Uh-huh.
Cows like kids.
Oh, okay.
Well, to have kids.
No doubt. Have you ever had a cow get loose?
Oh yeah.
And so how do you know they get loose? Does somebody call or how do neighbors feel about, you know?
Sometimes somebody call, sometimes the neighbors call, and sometimes I notice they get out. But
Okay.
the majority of the time, they get out, they go to that other pasture over there. If I got the gate open.
Word. I don't even like country music. I feel like listening to something. Get down, turn around, go to town, boot, scoot, and boogie. I ain't gonna quit my day job. Absolutely amazing. The open lane. So what is this process that you're doing right now?
Poking them,
Just poking them?
pushing them into the ground.
Okay. And that's all it takes?
And it does its own thing.
All right.